Hey Feds, we were just asked this question. I thought it was a great question with a bigger principle to learn from. The question was, if I sign up for Medicare Part A, which is typical, I mean, for all intents and purposes free, and Part B, can I stop paying the Part B monthly premium at any time? The answer is yes, you can stop paying for that whenever. You can drop it whenever you want to. Two things we need to be thinking about. Can you get it back? Maybe not. Or maybe not without a penalty. And that's one thing we need to always look at, right? If we stop something, can we get it back, or can we get it back without a penalty? That's one thought there. Now, the second thing is that you can drop anything at any time. You just simply stop paying for it. Right? They'll always let you get out of it. Getting into it can be more difficult. So, and that has, each benefit has different rules, whether you can get into it, whether you're not. Are you early? Are you late? Is there a penalty? Is there not? Do you have a certain time frame, a window? And then you're just out of luck after that. Lots of little things, and they're all different between each of the benefits. So it's important to understand what are my options and what might I be able to do and when I might be able to do them, and make sure you don't get them confused with another benefit. We make those things pretty clear in our workshops. Come join us.